Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on animated stickers on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on this three lines here and now click settings, now click chat settings and now click animations, and here you'll find it animated stickers. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on animated stickers, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.